Hey, you want to read a book? Let's show everybody how you can turn pages. 1, Inukshuk. 2, hockey pucks. Turn the page. Turn the page. Thank you. 3, apples. 4, curling stones. Turn the page. Turn the page. 'Good job. 5, strawberries. 6, trains. Nice drool. Good job. Turn the page. Good job. 7, school buses. 8, nickels. Turn the page. 9, Canada geese. And 10, baseball mitts. Want to close the book? Books are for reading. Oh! I guess we're done that book. Good job, buddy.